These notes are on how to find the distance between points on the coordinate plane. So there are two options for doing this. The first option is to simply plot the 2 points on the coordinate plane. And then you're going to count the spaces between the points, kind of like you do like on a board game. All right, so this is option number 1. Option number 2 is to look at the 2 ordered pairs, and you're going to find the one they have that's the same. So we're going to look at the X and the Y, and we're going to look and see whether they have the same X or the same Y. Okay, so you'll have 2 points. Okay, so we're going to look at the one that is different. If both have the same sign, we're going to subtract the absolute value. If the signs are different, we're going to add the absolute value. Okay, and I'll show you examples for both. All right, so let's use option 1 for the first set of points. So for the first set of points, we're going to plot those 2 points on our grid. All right, so to plot, first we go to our left, okay, because -7 is to the left. And then we're going to go up, okay. So we're going up because we have a negative positive. So we're going to go to the left and then up. All right, so -7, go over 7 spaces to the left and up to 9. All right, so we are here, and that's point A. Point B is -7, +4. So we're going to go over to the left and we're going to go up 4. So over 7, to the left 7, and up 4. And that's point B. All right, and then we're going to count the spaces. So we're going to hop from point to point to see how many units are there between A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So the distance from point A to point B on the coordinate grid is 5 units. For the next set of points, we're going to use option 2. All right, so option 2 doesn't involve you having to plot the points on the coordinate grid. However, you can, because I feel that that is the easiest one to count from point to point. But I'm going to show you this option as well. So for option 1, we're going to look to see which coordinate they have that's the same. Okay, so here we see they have -5 and -5. So we're not going to look at that. We're going to look at the -6, and we're going to look at the 3. All right, -6 and -3 are in different quadrants of the coordinate plane. So that means to find the distance, we're going to add the absolute values. All right, so we have the absolute value of -6 plus the absolute value of 3. All right, remember in talking about an absolute value is the number's distance from 0, okay, on the number line. So if we were to plot -6, which is right here, its number distance from 0 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the absolute value of -6 is 6, plus the absolute value of 3. If 3 was here, distance from 0 will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, which means 6 plus 3 is 9. So the distance from point C to point D is 9 units.